Matthew was a young boy adopted by loving parents, Sarah and David, after years in foster care. His early life was marked by instability, moving from home to home, separation from siblings, and moments of neglect. Despite being in a safe, new home, Matthew often lashed out, withdrew, or became silent, especially when small things went wrong. One afternoon, while playing, Matthew knocked over a precious vase, shattering it. His heart raced, panic surged through his body, and he hid under a table, expecting anger or punishment. His parents, trained in trauma-informed care, found him trembling. Instead of scolding, Sarah sat quietly nearby, breathing calmly, her presence gentle. David joined, softly saying, "We're here. You're safe. It was an accident." Minutes passed. Matthew's shaking slowed. Sarah whispered, "When you feel scared, your heart and body remember old times. But here, you're loved, no matter what." Matthew, tears streaming down, crawled into Sarah's lap. Rather than asking "Why did you break it?" they held him, helping him regulate his nervous system with soft voices and touch. Later, as Matthew felt calm, David explained, "Sometimes, our bodies act up, because of things that happened long ago. But in this family, mistakes are chances to learn, not reasons to fear." Sarah let Matthew help clean up the mess together, making it a moment of connection rather than shame. They talked about the feelings underneath his panic, gently helping Matthew name fear and sadness. In time, Matthew did not hide when something went wrong. His parents consistently offered predictability and attunement. Slowly, his nervous system began to heal, a process not achieved through discipline, but through relationship, regulation, and safety.